Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Bad girl step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
If you're new, thank you for joining. I am Belle and this is my cousin Sasha. Today we will be doing smash or pass. Yeah, we are going to on the artist them.
Good body vendetta boss. Alkaline.
Pass.
Definitely smash.
Pass.
Why? Why a pass?
Nah, it's just not for me. Nah.
Alright. Personally, is it true Optima my school? And not only that, but I don't know, him just sexy to me. I like them tall and dark. I know him turn color now, but whatever, yeah, definitely smash.
Definitely.
My favorite song is the song that he was talking about, this sex that he had, and him have sex with the girl.
A side girl one?
No. The song where he must say
Something about a side girl.
no. The song where he must say what a block. You know you have to be about him part there.
No, you're not gonna give me no whole heap of work, you know. You're not giving me no.
No, you asked me about the song.
Yes, but you could have not said.
Alright. The song that I'm talking about is Love Doctor. That did shot Jenna. Yeah. Your artist. Next.
Sean Paul.
Why I would pass is because he's a very nice person, and him more inspirational
He's more inspirational.
to me than
So yes, but it doesn't
Smash.
mean say, oh,
what me not find him. No, me just not look upon him. Me just look upon him as the smash type. Would a
Okay.
pass.
Okay.
Cause he not necessarily means because him nice and him cute, would I want to smash him, you know. It means say, how me feel, he would have smash or pass, would have pass. But he's cool. Why would you smash?
Well, as you
Are you
said,
smashing it wrong and put it back
it's
forward?
in the right and a smash on the left and a pass. That's what I should have been
Smash,
doing a long
pass.
time ago.
Alright.
Anyways, as you said, he's inspirational and I love him song them. I love whole heap of his song them. I can't just tell you one. I love all.
Alright.
All.
Which song?
Eh?
Which song you like?
Me have so much. Me have whole heap. How deep is your love? You have so much temperature. You have.
I love temperature. I was going to say temperature. So
I love. You have so much of them I love. Yeah.
So yes, temperature is my favorite song, favorite Sean Paul song. Alright, next artist, Donia. I definitely, yeah, I would smash.
Pass for me.
Why?
I don't know. Just not my type of artist.
Favorite song, favorite Idonia song.
I don't know what's ringing. Me no know. Yeah, the one where the man guys are slim, but you have one next one where him come and what is about come to party and that.
Well,
Tell him that look the girl and
smash why I would smash Idonia is because I find him attractive, and my favorite Idonia song, recent song.
oh yes, I don't know. Mama, I think it's I am too. I like true I.
So
That's
let's
what
recap.
Wait.
So let's go back. Idonia, not Ioctane. Idonia, would you smash or would you pass? Yes, no. Why would about you, Smash?
Come like you sang them.
I know that definitely, man. I would him say, what did Jenna there? What did Jenna there?
Take your time, buddy. Darling.
Oh, so you're a Dagger and Idonia fan.
Leave me alone.
Alright, did it?
No boring girl. I love
Come out,
one
do
too.
no man.
Yeah.
I'm my favorite artist and you come out more than me. Alright, cool, no problem.
Girl, you
Yes.
are Rocky Breaker. Anyways, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry, guys. This
Yeah.
is not me. Anyways, let me think.
I'm gonna go open instead of artist.
Gulliver. Why would you pass?
Why would I
Because
pass?
he came from out the gutter.
No, ain't nothing wrong with out the gutter in the sense of
So
you
you
come
tap
from
the big
nothing
fat
to
girl?
something, but out of the gutter, I think personally, out of the gutter mean you're coming from nothing to something and not literally coming out of the gutter.
I'm
but
not
if I out of
laughing
the gutter,
at him,
gutter
but
come
because
from,
of the way how
then
you
no.
face the reaction.
and not only that, a long time ancient days man them they no, I'm like no, I'm general. Mm-mm. No. Right now, if Gully back for try to lift me up, and maybe with a sprain when I'm somewhere. Do the sprain. Because him get old, so I broke
Okay,
some
so
places.
you look a
I
man
look
for
one for
lift you
throw me
up.
up and down, yeah. Did it fit the criteria? I don't know, nice. Yeah, alkaline maybe can fling me up, but
Fling you up, you look like you can hold you. Move
yeah,
your
man,
player.
no, him young man, him young man, him young.
Okay.
So I'm supposed to. Yeah. But Gully back.
When you, although you're young, it doesn't mean your bone's strong.
Well, alright, fine. But when me I do it Gully back, why you pass Gully back? Why you pass?
Everybody know, nobody know I'm gully back.
Like I tell. Somebody want Gully back.
Not me.
Nah, call
Not
nobody.
me.
Nah, mix.
Well, maybe I'm the girl. What the woman
Done.
name? You know me, this year I live in a Spanish town one time.
Talk about the people them love life. Jesus.
Woo! Alright,
Alright. Vibes Cartel.
Smash? Oh, why not?
Why not? Him as a person? No, just wouldn't smash him.
Yeah, me either. The thing with me is, may I just start the truth and the honest truth. It's a certain artist where sing song about girl this and girl that, and the way them sing about girl a certain type of way. I mean, I understand how the females don't like it, but it's really up to you what you like,
you
but
prefer.
it's just
Not me.
for me.
True.
Him have some good song, you know. Not them and them they alone him have. Let's just say that. That's not what he had alone, but it's just not my type. No.
What's your favorite Vibes Cartel song?
My favorite? Paradise.
Hmm? Really? My favorite Vibes Cartel song is Celebrate, featuring, I don't remember that same girl, that nice, really, really nice girl. Agaza Slim? If I know Agaza Slim, I'm my friend, they always. Well, Celebrate.
Oh wait,
yeah.
I'm gonna note that one here. Wait name again. Bubble up your body for my boo. I love it when I wine with you. I love it when I wine with you. Wrap your two and them on my waist. I love it when you're looking at my face.
So why you never want to smash this man? Or you want to beat up the man's song, eh?
If him
Yeah.
song nice, yeah, that's the thing. Him song nice, but that doesn't mean oh I wanna smash him. Come on now. You rate an artist, but you just not gonna smash them.
True. You're
Just like how you
artist.
rate Sean Paul.
But more, yeah.
Exactly for real.
You're next artist.
I don't, yeah.
Again? No.
No,
same
but
video.
alright. No, sorry, I Octane.
because you can mix up.
A
two
true
of them.
I. It's because I isn't there. So I pass.
Oh, I Octane.
Yeah.
Octane. My youth, I can't. Atras?
Yeah.
Maybe would have. Maybe would have.
It's,
It's not what I
his
like.
song is nice. His songs are nice, but nah.
Octane.
Octane, you could be mine, but me
Don't
don't tell you one man to my wife. Man, I left my man no day, no time.
So nobody bring the baka.
Garbage to my mind.
What would I do it? My man off of vex. Just remember, would I do it?
Excuse.
Alright.
Woo.
6 them.
What you talk about? Everybody nice 6?
Yeah. I don't really know the whole of them now.
Guys, look. Look. Look.
Like,
Look.
me, definitely, want some of them really say that the 6 them way. Listen, y'all are fabulous people. Don't get us wrong. I like them, you know, Squash. I don't even know the whole of them name. But, guess what? You see Daddy one? Definitely Smash. You know who named Daddy one, right?
No.
Well, you're going to know tonight. What I feel like we're saying, I know, just like.
We just
But-
don't know what them, not mean nothing.
Definitely. And the my favorite Daddy One song is Custom.
Custom watch. Me hear it, but me don't know how.
And why? It's not really the song, it's the fact that him have him dreams and or him have him goals, and not only because him can sing, him just sing and say, alright, I'm gonna put aside certain things and just go on with the singing and make some money. Him use them singing money, I think, I'm not sure. And him open him have this Daddy One thingy, store for him, make
Okay.
sure. So that I think that was what Custom
Successful?
the song was based off of. So yeah.
Well, that's good.
So that's and him cute to me. Him slim and him tall. He's cute.
Okay.
Like him big and comfortable. Slim as them are born with themselves from
I like them thick. Let me stop it. I'm
not
joking.
really have no preference. But just like when you can massacre. Let me think about it. Massacre. What I pass massacre?
Why?
Because at the time when his baby mother was in Magnum, King and Queen, I just thought he was a selfish person. Not only that he's selfish, but him know, remember the long time days, them and thing. However, if I'm wrong, I do
Yeah, you're just
apologize.
hearing the
But
story. It's just a story you're hearing.
exact. It's not us. Yeah, the story what me hear. It's
you don't
based
know
off
what-
of
you
the
never
story
did
me
it.
hear. Exactly. But things can happen different on a relationship mash up and things just not work. But me just from that Ray them I just never. Favorite song, favorite massacre song.
I ain't got no.
Image, style of every guy in out of village. Yeah man.
Dexter.
Dexter! Girl, lift up that smash before me kick you off first.
Why
What
do
you
you
say?
think
Dexter?
me gonna smash Dexter ups?
I pass it, I take up.
So, oh, yeah, gonna kill me if
Alright.
it's so fast?
Let me turn on my face. Take up which one you have.
I don't know, my mind is wondering. It look like I'm face smash up already. I love you song them.
No, smash or pass.
What? I love his songs, but
him no smash materialistic.
you're this a girl and all that.
him no smash materialistic.
Except of someone
Okay.
that's so.
Exactly. Me don't want a soul neither. Or a smash him. Why I would smash is because his songs
I love him song.
definitely.
I love him song them all.
Him song them make me feel like say
Miss
him
you.
can
Him
have
can.
sex.
Ooh, child.
Him just romantic in him song them some just feel like
Yeah, I love him song them, no doubt. I love him song them. I see my bed and miss you. I listen to that daily. I really say daily, but I listen to that only often. But oh, you remember the excitement of going a girl go up and Dexter go show wind up and her man just grab her and go. You know, go pop. Dexter just go wine so, but they never wine for me so yet.
Alright, big up yourself, my brother. Yo, the most memorable moment with Dexter Daps is when the girl
Mention
threw her
jazz.
Yeah, that girl there, burn off. Yeah, you can't see
Then the
bad
man
man
now
and
play
throw
she
drawers.
now wear no underwear.
You can't see bad man and take off drawers. Hmm?
She not then the girl don't want to wear any underwear.
You keep it at your yard, left it, leave it. Don't
The
come
girl
show the
don't
drawers
want to wear no
off.
underwear.
Right. Jamil.
Stop for the damn sitting there. If you know so the
Jamil.
short on her pass and the long one has
Jamil. Smash. No, pass. Tell you why I would have pass.
He's inspirational, I like him song them, but
Yeah, at that. Him sexy. What would have pass and why would have pass is because personally, me no know. I'm undecided. I just would have passed. Favorite Jamil song? Strongest Soldiers.
But
You know,
no,
it's
no,
like-
the
I
one
like
him
that.
sing about
I'm like
Girl
instant
Like You,
disaster. Girl Like You, I love no
yeah,
other.
that one, the Girl Like You, my love, yeah, that one there.
Jamil never ever call woman girl.
Well, if it's a girl or girl, that would be
Yeah, no problem.
Chronix. Oh my God, I'm a rasta.
You see me? I try it.
Uh-oh.
I don't know what I was saying.
Why? What's wrong with Chronix?
I just wouldn't smash. I'd pass.
Usher.
I don't like him.
You like Usher?
No, sorry. I'm not Usher me at all. Chronix.
Why you don't like Chronix?
Chronix too much. Him too much. Him for go up above up, he'll go hide him face. Him too much.
Guys,
Too much.
this
And
girl
don't
not
cut out that part
hear me.
either. Him too much. For true. So, all of him fans them can comment below.
Hey.
But
no,
make
I
sure
mean,
you thumbs up. Yeah. Comment below or thumbs up.
Yes, guys, don't
Subscribe.
forget to like and subscribe. What about
Yeah.
Usher?
Pass. What's that? I pass. I have no reason. Climax is my favorite Usher song. Crawl too. What's your favorite Usher song?
You know, everybody a thumbs down to R. Kelly, which if him do something wrong, well, him do something wrong, but same girl.
Shit!
I know you
Usher
messing
and
with
R.
the
Kelly's are.
same girl.
Hold on. Usher and R. Kelly are two different ones, right?
Yeah. So,
Smash R. Kelly. R. Kelly, right? Wait. Usher, wait. Jesus.
Jesus, that
Wait
really
then.
I confused ourselves.
Who is Usher? Usher, the sexy one with.
Yeah. I think him shorter than R. Kelly. R. Kelly at the time was sing
With the beard up, looking crusty, looking dark guy.
Chris.
Usher, the brownish one. Smash. Usher. Oh, I know who Usher is.
Remember messing with the same girl.
Yeah,
same
Usher.
girl.
Definitely. Smash. Yeah.
You like a
I'm
confused
sorry.
face say with a
And you
smash.
are just
R.
like you
Kelly
and
and
Idonia.
Usher.
I just like you and Idonia acting. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. I would smash Usher. I would pass R. Kelly. just so you get it straight.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
We hear you, we hear you.
Intense.
Mackerel with a smash him though. Why?
I'm not lie. Yeah, I'm a Jenna. Yeah, man. I like you. Yeah. I like you. But would have passed though. Cause Rebel am a gal. Is it? So would have passed. Cause Rebel am a baby. Yeah.
Why do you mackerel share him?
Mackerel have to run away. Mackerel, move your ugly crossy eyes. Stay.
Hey, hey,
No.
hey, empty ways. Who else can I say? Rummy and Virgo.
Pass. Cause them man they more loyal. A loyal nigga and we respect that. So would have passed. Just because of the man loyal.
Christopher Martin.
Pass. Pass as well.
They say, you don't like you, the one them were liar, like the one them
No, you see the loyal nigga them in trouble them. Cause me like see when man loyal. You see it?
True.
Me like see relationship prosper.
That's
Love
true.
see relationship goals videos and see the relationship them where I come from back in the ancient days. Me not try to break up people relationship. So me
It's like
once me
back
see
from
say them
world.
loyal,
Yeah.
me not try to say, ooh, hats. No, I would smash. But it don't mean to me would have pass in a bad way, would have pass on car side, then, you know, but me would have
They
pass.
say that person steer, what kind?
Use my car. come off a artist a little.
Mm-hmm.
I could say celebrity overall, right? Usain Bolt.
Mm.
Bombata yonder in that video.
Why?
Pass.
Why would you pass?
I'm not a Usain fan.
Well,
Him seem hype to me, and that's why.
Well, I don't really watch him as much, so I'm not gonna know whether or not him a hype or him a flip, but smash.
Okay. Why is smash?
He seems like a nice person to me.
Okay. Ooh, my baby, Johan Blake.
Your baby. It's your baby, not mine. So weird. So because me someone else smash you and Blake, something wrong?
Johan sexy. Johan, you're nice, baby. Eh.
Exactly. You're one
Yeah.
of your type, huh?
Your body rip, body nice. Chris Gale. Chris Gale, I definitely smash. Zero. Then my
Chris
one day.
Brown.
What was I say?
Of course. Why would I smash?
Listen to me. You see back in 2010, 2009,
So
10,
when beat you,
11.
man,
You put that. Oh Jesus! If you did say the same way, no, I definitely would have, but no. Justin Bieber. You're short.
In what way?
It's just short.
In what way?
You're not short.
In what way?
I don't know which way I thought about it. Right.
So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Belle. See you guys in the next video.